That's right.
There's Uncle Red. There's the neighborhood.
Still tell me, I didn't realise you.
I'm filming the neighborhood.
Hey, you can't film me.
For that, I'll film you.
Hello?
They're not
There's Donald. There's your pine tree in the backyard.
You know, we got. Well, show them their view.
No, you're not.
See one right here? This is where we're gonna put.
Look, that is white wall. You can see.
We need new carpet.
Yeah.
Show them the ugly carpet.
I guess.
Lounge. This is the lounge.
This is the little bar.
And this is where we're gonna chop it off.
And
Make it look bigger.
I can't see who this is, but there's a movie camera just floating past.
Yeah, the ghost behind it.
You think if we chop this
This is
off
the
right
dining
here,
room area.
something out, leave this section,
There's the kitchen.
then you can see into the kitchen, makes a whole room
It
there.
doesn't have a dishwasher, does it?
You see right here, it's behind the table and everything.
Got your built-in stove. There's your oven.
Or we can put it on glass and put a fish tank. This is
Yeah.
my room.
I did it on purpose.
See what I'm
You
doing?
did.
You broke in here.
It's a back door. Garage, right?
My
There's the
bedroom.
sink. There's the window out the kitchen.
Maybe we need to do
And
tile.
there's the dining room.
This tile, the room's kind of small.
This is the kitchen, the dining room area, and this is the hall.
Bedrooms are kind of small.
Dinner's on the lights, look.
Ooh, doing some
wow,
lights.
fancy.
Fancy sort of gear here.
There's Dad's bedroom.
Oh, really? So he
And
gets
here
the
we have-
littlest, huh? I
here
don't
we
think
have-
so.
In here we have the wardrobe area
Yeah.
and the shelf space. You have a coat hanger roll on the
Double.
top.
Yeah.
And you have tiles on the floor.
Double.
Beautiful carpet.
Beautiful kiki carpet.
Now the carpet is worth a lot of money.
Yeah.
What we'll do, we'll have a sale, make a fortune.
This is their room until they get the bathroom.
Oh, is that what you're talking about?
So this is the master bedroom.
This is your half bath.
Yeah, you got ensuite in there.
Because look, they can have the.
You see, this is the second bedroom.
They're all about the same size.
Yeah. One window and your double closet over there. Open up the door, Donald. I mean that. Yeah.
Voila!
Double closet in there. Number 2 bedroom. Kitchen's out that way. Room.
And then you gotta go to the right.
And you got a little wall, and you got a commode, and you got a bathtub,
Bathroom looks pretty good.
and you got a door. So you had 2 people in here at the same time.
Yes, no, stop.
So here's Doug's room.
And here's down in the hall.
This is Daniel's, I mean. Daniel said he wants this one.
And there's one window there.
Water.
Great, turn off the water.
Water.
And another double closet over there, double closet. And there's some more carpet. Kind of copper tone carpet. Then we're going down the hall again. You got a bedroom on the left and a bathroom on the right. Yeah, middle bedroom. The bathroom,
See, I was thinking, take this thing off.
the front bedroom, and half bath,
So like, take
hall
this off,
closet,
put it right there.
another hall closet.
You can see the kitchen.
To the right, the front room.
Is that right?
And Reg, I found Reg again. And then there's your dining room area and your kitchen.
Yeah, just like shop.
And your living room. Granddaddy looking out the window.
Refrigerator.
And a screen door even. And Reg hiding.
You don't have to walk around the whole thing.
Daddy's comfortable. He's at home now. And that goes down the hall. This is the second. And this is the front room again. It's the hot water heater in the closet in the front door and your double windows in the wall.
One window's in the wall.
Yeah.
Glad you
There's your garage door opener up there. And there's the garage.
What?
And here's where
What? When you
Utility.
get close to it, it goes up or
the
something?
utility shelf.
Mom,
Oh, it's supposed to, but
And that's where your wash machine goes. And back here's where your dryer
when you
goes.
get close to it, does it come up or something?
And that's the backyard.
Mom, when you get close to it, does it supposed to come up or
The
something?
kitchen.
Mom, that's coming open.
Because the wind's sucking it through. And then there's your backyard. Busy little backyard with all the traffic. There's your trees. There's the shed. There's your central heating air. And then there's your other fence down that way. Neighbors. And McDonald's on the other side of the tree. Okay, come out the door. There's one of Colita's trees. And there's Colita's tree number 2, losing its leaves. Next door neighbor. Across the street. Granddaddy. Got a sidewalk. That's their rent car that they got to Memphis, Tennessee. See, nice green grass and plenty of trees. Sidewalks. Come on. There's the other house, outside the house. Your neighborhood. Ooh, look at the pine trees.
Look at the size of the place as well. It's a lot bigger, isn't it?
Look how nice that place is.
Yeah.
Makes it nicer.
There's,
It's a nicer place.
here's some more in the neighborhood. There's your big 2-story house right there. It's a nice little neighborhood. This is around the block. That's a nice home there. Another nice home. Another nice home. They don't even have a sidewalk. Jackie and David's got sidewalks.
Some of these.
There's some more houses around the curve. It's part of the neighborhood. Brick homes all over the place. Everybody in the backyard, private fence. Another brick home, more brick homes.
Oh, you see his cabbage there somewhere.
Kid, that
rock
big
up.
one.
There's some nice homes over here, isn't there? This is about 2 blocks from y'all's house.
That's it down there.
Yeah, somewhere down there.
You're like
Right
a
here at
car wash here as well.
Ron's.
You got a car wash just there.
Yeah. Now you're on Main. There's expressway down there. And this is the way you go to Dean's house and the boys.